One day I'm gonna be on top of now, stacking paper, living life.
Shopify tutorial for beginners, taking stunning product photos. In this video, we're going to be talking about Shopify and how you can take stunning product photos for it and reach actual high ranks when it comes to the e-commerce stores rankings. Okay, so to start things off, let's take an example. Okay, so the best example that we can take is of Gymshark. Now, the reason I chose Gymshark personally is because Gymshark is a Shopify store, okay? It was created on Shopify, and as you can see, Gymshark is one of the most, thriving stores out there when it comes to gym equipment, okay? So we can see all these product photos that Gymshark has uploaded, okay? And we can see what they're actually made of. Like, pretty great stuff, pretty amazing stuff to check out, okay? Now, we can see that, all the products that Gymshark has uploaded or Gymshark has portrayed on their website, these product photos are pretty incredible. So what do these product photos have that you can add by yourself easily? Okay, it shouldn't take you a lot of effort. So the first and foremost thing that any of your products will need is good lighting. Okay, good lighting is the best part of all of this. Now look at this picture. You can see the shadows. Now that clearly means that there is some decent amount of white light. Okay, so good lighting is definitely a big pointer when it comes to taking a stunning photograph. Then moving on, after good lighting, you need a good background. Okay, a good background will change lots. Now, as we can see, Gymshark's basic default photograph is pitch white lighting with a white background and not a lot of other clothing to hide out the actual product they're portraying. So in this, they're gonna show their shorts, so not a lot of other things, just shoes under the shorts. That's pretty much it. Mostly above the waist they're shirtless, because they just want to portray the actual shorts that are in the stock. Okay, so lighting matters a lot, your background matters a lot. Obviously, your editing style is also pretty, you could say, needed. A lot of people make the mistake on thinking that your camera quality matters. It does matter, but you can compensate for camera quality by editing and actually getting good lighting for yourself. You can compensate for that, but you can't compensate for bad lighting and bad backgrounds. Okay, so always make sure to follow the pointers that I tell you. And one last thing that you for sure need to have good is your rules of third. Now, if you don't know what rules of third are, rules of third is basically a, you could say, plus sign. Okay, and in that plus sign you need to keep your algorithm straight for your photos. If you're not following rules of third, that basically means your photo is going to be non-symmetrical, which is going to be unpleasing to the eye, and that will obviously lead your photo to be bad. So the product photos that you're going to take, again, good lighting, good background, and just go ahead and follow all the steps that I've told you, because these are the main ways your product photos are going to be amazing. Okay, and your product could be anything. I just gave an example of Gymshark because it's a good Shopify store example, but your store could be about mugs, it could be about appliances, could be about pets, but everything needs to be done by the ways that I've told you. So yeah, that is how you can take stunning photos for your products for Shopify. So thank you for watching this video all the way till the end, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.